Passengers arriving by Sindh Express at Lahore on Saturday, August 19, related harrowing stories of murder. After the train left Gujarat, a small body of Muslim passengers, armed with axes and knives, repeatedly stopped it, visited each compartment in turn, ferreting out those of another community, and ruthlessly butchering them. Sometimes these crimes were committed while the train was moving, sometimes in presence of parties who rushed towards the line from the countryside whenever a stop was made. Some passengers attempted to save themselves by crawling under the carriages, but these were pulled out and killed. Two leapt from the train and started across the fields. The train was stopped, chase given, and the fugitives dispatched. The earlier victims were killed with hatchets, the later only more slowly with knives. A woman and her 3 small children were among the last to be killed. Once the train stopped at a wayside station, when no more victims remained for the sacrifice, the murderers apologized to their fellow Muslims on the platform for the zeal, which left the latter no one to kill. Mr. Buston, editor of the Civil and Military Gazette, wrote on these murders to Mr. Jinnah, in an open letter dated the 25th of August 1947. 15 deliberate cold-blooded murders may seem little enough to turn you gentlemen from the tremendous task on which you are engaged, the creation of a state from a nation. But these 15 shared the fate of many more. Few trains indeed come to Lahore without revealing similar atrocities.